Are you new to exercising and looking for a place to start? Starting with basic squats, remember to keep your back straight and knees aligned. Moving on to modified push-ups, focus on maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. Next, try out some lunges to work your legs and glutes. Don't forget about the planks to strengthen your core. Hold for 30 seconds to start. Finally, finish off with some simple jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing progress with your fitness journey. With dedication and effort, you'll soon see improvements in your strength and stamina. So don't be afraid to take that first step and get moving today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more beginner-friendly exercise tips and tricks.